Let me show you a plank crunch. So everyone knows what a plank is. It's the top phase of a push-up, right? Everyone knows what a crunch is. Well, this is combining the two. It's one of my favorite exercises. It's so good. I'm going to show you 3 different ways of doing it, different levels of intensity. Start with the easiest one and work your way up to the most intense one, and man, it'll do something. Orgasmicpathways.com. Choose your pathways. Okay, so first, to get into a plank, if you need to be on your knees, that's fine. I'm going to do just a standard plank to start with, and I'll show you 2 other variations. So, you're in a plank. Your shoulders are completely protracted. They're not sinking like this. They're protracted. Your core is engaged. Your abs are scooped so your back isn't bowing, but it's like this, okay? Now from here, this is going to look a little naughty, but it's so good. You're basically going to crunch like this. I'll get closer so you can see the hip action. So like that. Breathing, exhaling on the crunch. And you squeeze. Hold that crunch for a second before coming back. Just like so. Okay, so here's 2 variations. Well, the one variation you probably already know, that's you basically drop your knees down. This is the easier one. And you do the same thing. Keeping your shoulders protracted. Now the more difficult version of that is going to be on the wall. So wall plank crunches. Just put your feet up. If it's too hard, you can go higher and it's easier, or 90 degrees perpendicular and do the same thing, crunch. Oh, that's hard. And so comment, where are you at with these? Which modification are you at? Or did you think of another modification that I didn't even show? I'd love to hear about it. And where would you like to go with this? If you're at one place, where would you like to go? Hopefully all the way to the wall plank crunch. It's a neat little move. It's a little movement, but man, it's a full body exercise because your whole body is isometrically contracted to stabilize yourself so that you can crunch with your abdominals supported by your lower back. So it'll strengthen your entire body, that one move alone. It's incredible. Orgasmicpathways.com. Choose your pathways. Bye for now. Next video coming soon.